Hello everybody, today I have a shoe unboxing for you guys, which is a very rare one for me. I have a pair of custom shoes from CUSTOMASURPRISE. The link for the shoes are going to be in the description down below, as well as their website, so definitely go check them out. And these are a pair of custom Air Forces. I have never ever owned a pair of custom shoes before, so I am extra excited to open these up and try them on. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So as you can see, they got their logo on the box, CUSTOMASURPRISE. It's super cute. On the side, it has like these shoes with question marks because you don't know what you're getting. I don't know what I'm getting. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna rip open this tape. I'm using a pen because I couldn't find a pair of scissors. Put this away. There we go. Oh, and here we're opening it to an Air Force box. So like the original ones that they'd come in. And keep in mind, for my shoe size, my feet are incredibly small. So I got the smallest size, which is a 5. But it's funny because like my feet are actually smaller than that. But all shoes fit differently, so make sure you know your size, especially when you're ordering online. But, oh, it even has my name on it in the corner. Oh, that's so cute. So we got the Air Force box, the normal everything. Let's open it up. Oh, and remove the paper. Oh, look at that. Oh, these are cool. I have a pair of Air Forces. They're definitely old. They are like 4 years old and they're like really gross and like, you know, I gave up after a bit because you can only keep things clean for so long. And so I don't wear them often anymore, and I haven't gotten a new pair since. And now I have this super sick customized pair. Look at this, guys. So not only is it just like a super cute pair of Air Forces, it has the custom like details on it. As you can see on this side, it has a double check mark and it says it has the double air symbol. The ones I have only have the one. So I think these ones, what are they? They're the WAF1 Shadow. So they have they painted on the double check mark here, and then on this side it has just the black check mark. It has this little like leather strap here. It has the Nike logo on the back, but underneath it is also another Nike logo, which I think is a really cute detail. I think that is super cool. I love the font they use because usually Nike is that like boxy font, if you know what I'm talking about, but this one is like in handwriting, like in cursive, and I think that's a really cute detail. The shoe itself, this looks so clean. I'm not used to seeing a clean Air Force. I'm telling you, mine are so beat up and they don't look like this at all. Like they look like a whole different shoe. But just look at like how pristine these are, and they're just so pretty. Let me grab the other shoe. And best part about these shoes is like you can like swap out the laces. Since there is 2 colors on it, you can put in black laces if you wanted to. I preferred the white just because I like a white lace because I think it just fits me personally, but you could definitely swap the laces out. But I love the look of this shoe. Look how cool it looks side by side. It just looks so sick. Like I said, I've never had, they're on the wrong side. I've never had customized shoes before. Even the front, you can see like it's just, there's those little tints of black all over, painted and stuff. It just really adds like this whole nother level to the shoe. It looks so cool. Let me take the thing out. I'm gonna put these on in a second. But yeah, and you can also thread the lace through this little leather strap if you wanted to, or you can leave it like flappy because it isn't like fully on the side. So if you wanted to, you can put it through there, but if you don't want to, that's all up to you. That's why I love shoes that have the extra little details, because it gives you a chance to decide. And also with the Air Force little piece on the lace, mine that I have is in silver. This one's in white, which I think fits the shoe really well. I'm pretty sure you can get customized ones, like you can get them in different colors. So I guess this one has a pair of white ones. I think it's really cool. I love the look of these shoes though. They're so cool and perfect for me because I love streetwear and I love baggy jeans. Like right now I got a pair on. I love to wear them with like sneakers or boots and stuff like that. And I've been running out of sneakers because a lot of my sneakers are like not very clean anymore. They're just, you know, they're a little old because I don't really buy sneakers often, so I'm happy that I can be adding a new pair to my collection. And also this is like the perfect pair to add because like I love white sneakers, but I find that they're pretty boring, so having ones that have a tint of something else, they look extra cool. Right now I'm threading the laces through the ones that they aren't through, because a lot of people tend to leave those undone, but for me, my feet, like I said, are very small, so I need the laces to be like fully threaded through all of them so I can tighten them good. So I'm just doing that. Okay, now I'm gonna put them on, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I haven't worn a pair of Air Forces in forever because, like I said, I don't really touch mine because they're so dirty and icky. Oh, and they fit good too. Oh my goodness. They actually fit really nice. Like I said, my feet usually, it's hard for me to find shoes my size because my size, genuinely speaking, is a kid size 3. So a lot of shoes don't fit me, but these actually fit pretty good. Like I said, it just depends on what shoe it is. I decided to lace it through the little leather piece because I prefer it to be like on the shoe because I'm afraid it'll get damaged if I don't. I'm just going to tie them normally, put the other one on, but oh my god, look how clean that is. That is so cute. The fit is good. It's also very comfortable. Like I do have a bit of wiggle room left, which is always good in a shoe. Like my feet aren't gonna grow, but it's good so you're not feeling like you're suffocating. And also with that, like it's very like comfy in there. I don't know what's in there, but it's very comfy. I love the way that the laces are. They're like just the normal laces. The other ones I had on my shoes were like flat laces, which always cause hassle. These are very nice. I like these ones. So here's what they look like both on. Look at the bottoms, sides. They're so clean. I am in love with that double check mark look. They look so good. And look, they match my outfit too. Like, it's perfect. I love these sneakers. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much for watching, and I would definitely recommend getting yourself a custom pair of sneakers from CUSTOMASURPRISE. I mean, look how good they look on me, and they have so many different designs. Like, I will definitely go back, get like a really intricate custom pair, but right now these ones, they are perfect for me. They're like my shoe almost, you know? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everybody.